Improve your employee learning experience by providing them with a powerful e-learning platform, Numla LMS. It lets you manage employee learning easily, with intelligent features and reporting. You can add courses, engage learners, and track the success of your training programs. Let's have a look at the key features. Create and launch training programs. You can efficiently plan training programs, conquer your team's training goals, and achieve the desired results. Show assigned courses and progress. Encourage the learner's engagement. On Numla LMS, your employees can check assigned courses, track their progress, meet deadlines, download completion certificates, and get rewards. Play SCORM content. Our platform is SCORM compliant, so you can easily upload and play your SCORM content in our system. Monitor progress through advanced reporting. Our platform has a strong business intelligence reporting feature that allows managers to monitor the progress of each SCORM element, like slides, video, audio, and quiz. Transform your training today.